So here we are about to find the velocity of, we can say, the shell's velocity, that what actually the velocity is. So first of all, as in the last video we had discussed about the radius, finding the radius, and that formula was what? That was basically mvr is equal to nh 2 pi, right? This was the formula which was come, and we can say that was basically told by angular momentum, right? Mvr is equal to nh2 pi. Now over mb we know same, and we know the radius of, we can say radius of an orbit, so that is n square at h square epsilon pi m z square. This is basically the radius of what? Radius of orbit. After writing this radius, we have our same nh upon 2 pi, right? nh upon 2 pi. Now let's cut the values if these are cutted. M is cutted, m pi pi, n1 n1, h1 h1. The what's the remaining is, so that is v is equal to epsilon, sorry, v is equal to z square upon 2 epsilon h and n. This value went upper and this value comes downstairs. Right, now here you can see this is the simple formula of finding the velocity. We got the formula of finding the velocity. Fine. After that, if I can tell you about the shortcut in easy way in 2 seconds, how you can easily find the formula, so that will be v is equal to e square 2 pi epsilon zn, right? This value is the constant value, however these are the variables. Fine. After that, in this constant, we know this whole constant is equal to 2.18 into 10 raised to power 6. Then z, put the z, what is the atomic number, then n, how, in which shell it is present, then you can easily find the velocity. Okay, you have to just remember this formula, like when you know the constant, that is 2.18 into 10 raised to power 6, then z upon n is n meter per second. This is for finding the velocity in the atomic structure of the shell.